First, take an old pillow cover. Then fold it like that. Then take a hanger and put it like this. Then sew these areas. With a white tube. And your organizer is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Let's move to next hack. Oh, those shopping bags are so messy, let's make an organizer for them. First, take an empty tissue box. Then put shoppers in it. Now take a double-sided tape. Cut a piece and stick it on wall. Now attach the tissue box with it. And your organizer is ready. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching.